what's up? My name is Maripaz Mayin, and I want to share with you my idea for a special and fun picnic by the beach for this Valentine's Day. This is perfect to do with friends or with your special someone. Me and my friends decided to have a picnic by the beach for this Valentine's Day. We bought at the supermarket everything we needed, like a spinning wood board, cheeses, cut meats and hams, Philadelphia cheese, a golden cooler to put the drinks and wine in, a glass bottle and cups, etc. You can also add on your board nuts, almonds, olives, and any other of your favorite fruits. I made some cute ice cubes with fruit in a heart shape. For that, I used blueberries and raspberries. They kept its shape in the cooler, but it fell and broke. Then they started melting, so I would recommend you make some treats or dessert or jelly in a heart shape if you want. You can see how to make these ice cubes. I'll teach you at the middle of this video. I thought that the ice cubes with smashed blueberries looked like frozen petals. They added a nice touch to the drink together with the raspberry ice ones. And I did it in a heart shape for the theme of Valentine's Day. The truth is, we spent a really nice day. We took many pictures and videos, talked and had a lot of fun. We ended our day by enjoying the sunset and swimming in the ocean. And if you want to see how the pictures came along, you can see it on my Instagram at CMP16. Now, for the second part of this video, I'm going to show you how to make these little cute heart-shaped ice cubes, or jelly if you prefer. First, we wash our fruit very well. We cut the blueberries in half, we arrange them in the mold. I used around 3 or 4 pieces of berries per heart, and then we squish them well. Here I'm using a heart-shaped little spoon that fits nice in the hearts. Once we're finished, we add water and then we'll put it in the freezer. For the raspberry ones, we smash them with a fork or any other utensil that can help us obtain a liquid consistency out of the raspberries. We add blueberries and arrange them in the mold. I put 2 berries per heart and then filled with water and stir in the freezer. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helped you and gave you some ideas for Valentine's Day or for your next picnic date. Subscribe to my channel where I will upload more videos similar to this, talk about Japan, my travels, beauty, and more.